Overall, the week that was, it was a positive one. That's great news, with the governor announcing on Monday that there are enough tests available now for anyone to be tested if they are symptomatic or not anywhere in Colorado. The state's largest mobile testing site opened this week in Denver. We're meeting the target of being able to test upwards of 10,000 people every day. Also, the number of patients in hospitals continues to drop. The incidence rate of new cases is low to moderate in El Paso County, in Pueblo County, although we did see some new clusters of COVID-19 in Colorado Springs this week. We're still seeing more deaths, sadly, but the rate is slowing. And nearly half of all deaths reported in the state this week tied to elder care facilities. The state also investigating the first 3 suspected cases of what's called MIS-C. It's a rare inflammatory illness linked to COVID-19 in children, but hospitals, they are prepared to treat it. The week also brought a blueprint for restaurants to begin to reopen for dine-in service. A final plan will be unveiled by the governor on Memorial Day. And great news on Wednesday as Fremont County granted its variance to basically reopen for business early. Casinos prepping now for the day that they can reopen in Cripple Creek, but still no word yet from the governor on that one. The economy continues to take hits. The USOPC announcing this week over 100 jobs cut, dozens more reassigned due to the postponement of the summer games in Tokyo. The Memorial Day weekend, a big test for all of us as we slowly gain momentum in a positive direction because we have flattened the curve. The key to keep it there. We will together. Stay strong, stay healthy, always watching out for you. I'm Rob Quirk.
Also watching out for you, I'm Elizabeth Watts with a look at what we're working on here at News 5 for this upcoming week. Tomorrow, we're waiting to hear from Governor Polis about the next steps to reopening, including what's going to happen with dining in at restaurants. Stay tuned to News 5. We'll take his press conference live and have all the developments on News 5 throughout the night. It will also be Memorial Day, a day to pay tribute and remember those who lost their lives in sacrifice for our freedom. We'll take you to events in southern Colorado and across the nation. Tomorrow, we're also showing you how a Pueblo gym is working a rebound. The owner bought the business less than a year ago, never thought he'd have to struggle through a pandemic, how he's navigating the safer at home orders, and his advice to other business owners during these tough times. And on Thursday, our Patrick Nelson, he's talking about your mental health during the COVID-19 pandemic. These are very stressful times for anyone, let alone those dealing with issues like binge eating or addiction. Even as we begin to reopen, get back to the new normal, experts worry working from home, all the isolation, the stress is fueling addictions and eating disorders. Hear from them about how to avoid the pitfalls of the situation and find out more about the resources available. We have these stories and much more coming up on News 5 this week. Hope we'll see you throughout the week and hope you have a great night.